Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. M. Binota, says women at hilly areas bounded by customary laws are deprived of advantages provided by Indian Constitution. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Chongtham Bijoy, lambasted Congress. MPCC member Dr. S. Manauton terms ILP system implemented in the state as a namesake. Khonghampad local clerks clarified that the rally carried out supporting Citizenship Amendment Act led by Inner MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan on January 5 has whatsoever no connection with Khonghampad. And security tightens in the state ahead of upcoming Republic Day. Mass cordon and search operations carried out at various areas. A very good evening to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandaram presenting you the Sunday Primetime News. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. M. Binota, said that women at hilly areas bounded by customary laws are deprived of advantages provided by Indian Constitution. She was speaking at the reception ceremony of the newly elected member of Manipur State Commission for Women, T. Chuang Sind Koireng, held at Utonglok in Kangpokpi district today. Speaking at the event, Dr. M. Binota said that various initiatives are being taken up to empower women in India. She lamented that customary laws at hilly areas has annulled existing law provided by Indian Constitution despite establishment of Manipur State Commission for Women in the state for the welfare of women. Speaking on the occasion, Amuko President P. Nando Luang expressed happiness over selection of one women representative from the Koireng community. He appealed Manipur State Commission for Women MSWC to organize awareness program for existing laws.
The women from the hill areas are highly educated, but they are not able to do anything because they have pressure from the community, they have the pressures from the customary law, so they cannot go off their staying.
Manipur da hojik leibiriba Manipur State Commission for Women se mapangan jin leibibas mapangan leibirian khanbi da yam hena kanbina ba atopa state sing da leiba kal commission sing jiga manaba thakta yana bagdamta khare hena amuka tobiba.
The women from the hill areas are highly educated, but
Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh Chongtham Bijoy lambasted Congress party, saying that it is a political party which is ignorant of governing as well as being an opposition party. He was speaking to media in a press meet held at his residence in Lumphel today. Speaking further, Bijoy said that Congress party is ineffective in politics. He further questions the existence of Congress party. CS Bijoy termed complaint filed by Congress regarding carrying out of direct dictatorial policy by the BJP-led government and seeking attention of Supreme Court to look into the matter as unfounded. He charged Congress party of carrying out anti-national acts across the country and highlighted the scam Congress has involved in.
Congress tarumba mogi scam mayam do BJP ki matam da putho mangak te chumna putho banate logical conclusion ma lakna ba pursuit of the national interest da BJP di opposition da lerin da hai mayam loi putho mane Congress ta kari khang ne gi Citizen Amendment Act se communal nati se aramana communal le chandu in kari gi December da Assam da yam chawber rel yem chat matam da satre organization ati sangsan mayam peacefully chat padi marak khechalaga Assam gi secretariat Janata Bhavan mai thage entarme adu ko chen da khona da Silmisi, Assam Youth Congress ki President Kamrul Islam Chowdhury, PFI ki President Animul Haq, Amasung PSI ki Press Secretary Muhammad Muzamil Moy Ahumna Silaga Janata Bhavan je mai tha ke tarme. Citizen Amendment Bill yaning drena chumna logically, reasonably ngangna banata ba. Maraks da India thugaina ba anti-national, anti-social mayanga pullaga thabak tarmisi Congress ne je high with the Hyman Mathol.
Member of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC, Dr. S. Manauton said that in-aligned permit system implemented in the state is just for the namesake and it is not what was chosen by people of the state. He said the same at the inauguration of a 4-day 3rd Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa Kendra Veteran Football Tournament at Malom Terakha ground today. The tournament was organized by Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa Kendra Development Committee. Speaking at the event, Dr. Manauton said that the newly implemented in-aligned permit will ease the process to get permit by outsiders, leading to influx of outsiders in the state. He negated the statement that Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) will not harm Manipur.
Tungi charol churul da yeng koi history da itihas da koi khongau nar kadoba haukiba pari puri bu mai thar kado dugumba thabak thawong chatha ningde aduna laingak pariba opposition da lairiba political party ponmakti miut singna tungi charol churol gi khanbiraga ILPC amukka hanna kok thadabidana kari krai de kari soiribage habidu yengchin naningbagi apamba no bu chahi gi paujel pijabaga lorina Manipur miyam da thamjari.
Secretary of CPI and KSH Santa has urged the state government for the unconditional and immediate release of the state secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, Laishram Sotin Kumar, failing which he warned that the left fronts along with like-minded political parties of the state will carry out various protest demonstrations. Speaking to media at Iravat Bhavan today, KSH Santa said that the left fronts of the state also carried out protest in solidarity to the nationwide Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest called by left parties on 19th of December 2019. He expressed discontentment over the arrest of CPI Secretary Laishram Sotin Kumar under Indian Penal Code Section 124, closed a sedition charge for his involvement in the protest. Mentioning that the British government had even opposed the law, he lamented that the law still prevails under Indian government. He urged the central government to withdraw the law which violates the fundamental and human rights of the people. KSH Santa strongly condemned the reprehensible act of the present government and asserted that the act will be remembered as abuse of political powers to subjugate the people of the state in the history of Manipur. Meanwhile, T.H. Vedamani, spouse of a CPI Manipur State Council Secretary Laishram Sotin Kumar, has also raised a complaint at Manipur Human Rights Commission against her husband's arrest and will also file the complaint to the United Nations Human Rights Commission.
अखोइना दाबी तौजरीदी याम सुतिन से कोई सोटो मते यावदना कंडीशन मते यावदना माग थादु मरमदी मांगोंदा पालिबा ख्वाइदगी हेना साथीबा अखोई एक हाइबा तारे आईपीसी 124 ए से ब्रिटिशना भारत से लोइला मोइना थमिंगी मतमदा मखोइना सिमम आइने मसी आइना से ngasiदी ब्रिटेन दा फाउदा कोई लोथोखरेबा सिडिसन आइजे करिबा याम सुतिन से हाइयें से 21 डेज मा से अखोई जुडिशियल कस्टडी लेदुसे मसिदा थादुरकता थोबा लेफ्ट पार्टी मयाम असिना अतोपा पार्टी मयामगा डेमोक्रेटिक ओइबा सेकुलर ओइबा पार्टी मयामगा पुंदुना याम सोतिन थादोकन बैदमता अकनबा खोंजिन से अखोई सुयोय सोदना अखोई हाइयें मा थादोकलक्तरबा अदो पुलिसना मुक्सो हन्ना फारबा अदु अकनबा खोंग सक्सिनगनी अखोइना दाबी तौजरीदी या
For local clubs of Khonghampad has clarified that Khonghampad Jilla Parishad member without consulting the Mairapaibi associations, local clubs and peoples of the area carried out a rally supporting Citizenship Amendment Act led by Inner Manipur Parliamentary MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan at Khonghampad on 5th of January 2020. The four local clubs, namely Khonghampad Youth Club (KYC), Khonghampad Young Pioneer Club (KYPC), Mantri Leka Youth Development Club (MLYDC), and Seva Dal Youth Club (SDYC), reiterated that they strongly stand against the controversial CAA. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, President of Khonghampad Youth Club (KYC), Chongtham Dhurbatara, said that people who participated in the rally were not even aware of the theme of the rally. He appealed the authorities concerned not to carry out such misleading act again. The president of KYC reiterated that people of the area, along with local club volunteers and Maira Paibi Lubt, has been protesting against Citizenship Amendment Act and will continue to do so.
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯧꯅꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯦꯃꯦꯟꯗꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯒꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯈꯪ ꯈꯪꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯟꯁꯔ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯟꯁꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯦ.
Republican Party of India, Athawale Manipur State Committee, has formed its state youth wing today. Tongamd Pradeep Kumar was elected as the new president, Maikamd Lenda Maite and Haishnamd Vishwajit as the new vice presidents, and Kongjamd Avinash as the new general secretary of the youth wing. The executive members of the youth wing were elected at the residence of RPI Athawale MSC President Maheshwar Thaunaujam in Kaisam Thong Ahibam Lekai today. Speaking to media, Maheshwar Thaunaujam appealed the youth to extend possible help to society, maintaining that youths are the pillar of the nation. He appealed to nullify the notion that politics are not for youths. Maheshwar also said that it is high time to mitigate the inconveniences facing the people of the state by joining politics. He appealed the youths to join the Republican Party of India, Athawale, to unite and bring influential changes in the society. Vice President of RPI Athawale Manipur State Committee, Thaudant Basanta, Vice President of the Women Wing, R.K. Bhanumati, and many people attended the event.
Timing do lawyer pamatamda ay na mayawgi sema saba panam tawningasu nahalak liba youth anawba inkhalak libada advice piraga oina leijageba ay sumay thengnaramin but ay sana mayawgi seba tawningai sida society da health tawningai sida huji ta hobana pame sigi damakta ay thabak achawon taw retire taw ngai ba lebe matam leitreba akoi youth sina akoi society gi future se oidori baneba RPI youth party hogdokpada hayeng waibo so mayamna leaders oiragam chakitro baniko sidi onba yaroi dabani change oiba yaroi dabaneba aduna akhoi myamna changaga haita ai samaksu youth amani youth na punsan minare haraga something society se kainom tawna bam tang hotna se kainom something change.
Security has tightened in the state ahead of the upcoming Republic Day. As a part of the security measures, a team of Imphal East District Commando carried out door-to-door search operation at Telepathy today. The team, comprising of Imphal East Commando DSP K.S. Hirojit, Commando OC T.S. Fulchand, and Commando OC in charge under the supervision of Imphal East Additional SP Operation T.H. Krishnatombi, carried out the drive from 8:15 a.m. till 9:30 a.m. and verified around 200 individuals. The team apprehended 2 individuals without proper identification proofs and handed them over to Porampot Police Station for further investigation. Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) appealed the state government to revive the government schools which were once eliminated by the government. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, MPDF Secretary Sapam Samungo said that many students are deprived of education after the government eliminated schools, namely Tondonsana High School, Raja Dhumba School, Bengali High School and Kebon High School. He urged the government to look into the matter without further delay.
मोइने मुथतकिबे स्कूल सिंगासे हजिकति सेसल लोबो मतमननी अदना रिस्टाब्लिश तौरो हजि जिखोय लावरि मरमदि 1981 द पॉपुल मणिपुर की पॉपुलेशन से अराउंड अबाउट 40 लाख मो ओइरमनेबा ऑन टू दे 32 लाख यौरेबा सात्र मसिंग हेंगलएबा सात्र मसिंग हेंगलक तादि हाई स्कूल यांगै लेबदो हजिक चाम लेबा ताएबा से अदना हजिकति पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ अप तौबनिना सरकार की स्कूल मुथतकिबे सिंगासे कंपलसरी हिंगलमदा ताए अदुगा प्राइवेट स्कूल हाई तारगदि प्राइवेट स्कूल दा मही तमदा फी चाउन होले वी ट्यूशन दरकार लेरे अदुई तादि ओरे सो पोर ओरिबे खोइगुंबा कॉमन पीपल की लाइक तम टोक ताब्राबा मोइने मुथतकिबे स्कूल सिंगासे हजिकति सेसल लोबो
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on inauguration of 19th day 2nd Leishang Hidden Festival cum Expo 2020. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Sunday Primetime News. 19-day 2nd Leishang Hidden Festival cum Expo 2020 kick off today. Leishang Hidden Protection and Development Authority organized the event near Leishang Hidden. Speaking at the event, MIBCWB Chairman H. Dingo said that Leishang Hidden is a historically significant place of the state. He stressed the need to repair the Leishang Hidden and assured that the state government will initiate necessary measures to repair the historic place at the earliest. Speaking on the occasion, Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar expressed desire to organize the festival cum expo in a unique and significant way among various other festivals of the state. He added, the festivals will exhibit the native products and cuisines of the state to enhance and boost the economy of the state. Nauria Pakhanglakpa MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra and Yaskult MLA Tokchom Satyavarta attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯦꯞꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯥꯏ.ꯑꯦꯜ.ꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯐꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯃ ꯌꯣꯜꯍꯟꯒꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯁꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯍꯩ ꯔꯥ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯆꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯁꯥꯠꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯌꯣꯟꯖꯕ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯦꯞꯀꯤ
A journalist team of Thoubal District Journalists Union who left Imphal to interact with Manipuri diasporas living in Assam and Meghalaya on January 4 have met with the Meitei diasporas in Bolaganj, Meghalaya. Taking part in the meeting, Secretary of Bolaganj Meitei Development Society, Khongban Tabam Kulajitna, lamented that the Meghalaya government have failed to address the Meitei diasporas residing in the Meghalaya since early days till date. He urged the Meghalaya government to acknowledge the Meitei diasporas residing in the area as indigenous peoples. A poetry book entitled Masisu Punsini, written by Ningthaujam Ingocha Chakpa, was released at Gombirai Ind Conference Hall in Uripok, Shinamlekai today. President of Manipur Literary Society, Prahlad Sharma, Pradhan of Fayeng Gram Panchayat, Angom Ongbi Samasakhi, and Village Chief of Fayeng Awang Laibung, Ningthaujam Toyai Chakpa attended the event. Kakching Educational Trust KETs held its annual scholarship award distribution event on the theme Tunglam Chetki Damak at the auditorium of Representative of Lois in Kakching today. The scholarship award given into two categories, namely district level opened and government school, is provided exclusively to class 7 students. Principal of Kham Manipur College, Kakching, P. Raghu, Janim's former chief librarian Dr. N. Giridhari and librarian of Thoubal College, now named Pri Kumar, took part in the event. The first batch of IRB riflemen of the state recruited in 1994 presented food items to Mongsangai Old Age Home in celebration of their 25 years of service. It may be mentioned that the first batch of the riflemen recruited in 1994 were not given any kind of promotion, even though 11 batch of riflemen were recruited after them. Moirang MLA P. Sarad inaugurated a new retail store for Zimi Vogue, a fast-fashioned general merchandise brand of Korea, at the opposite of Thangmaiban Thanamanjuri College Gate today. Makeup and beauty products produced by the brand will be made available in the store. A new hair-cutting salon and spa academy named Studio 11 Pro Academy was opened at Singjimai Mathak Chongtham Laikai today. "28-day winter table tennis coaching concluded today. Thao Table Tennis Training Center at Thangmaiban organized the coaching at the center campus since 15th of December 2019. Altogether, 15 players, including 10 women players, took part in the coaching. Janata Dal United JDU Manipur Unit has extended financial aid to players who bagged medals for the state at 16th Junior National Jumped Rope Championship 2019 held at Kumalam Park Indoor Stadium from the 27th till 30th of December 2019. The felicitation event was held at the residence of Manipur Jumped Rope coach Muhammad Wahid Khan in Kwakta Sabalaikai. Moirang General Secretary of JDU Manipur Unit H. Ravikant Maite handed over the capital to the players. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. M. Vinota, says women at the hilly areas bound by customary laws are deprived of advantages provided by Indian Constitution. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Chongtham Bijoy, lambasted Congress. MPCC member Dr. S. Manauton terms ILP system implemented in the state as a name shaking. Khonghampat local clubs clarified that the rally carried out supporting Citizenship Amendment Act led by INA MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan on 5th of January has whatsoever no connection with Khonghampat. And security tightens in the state ahead of upcoming Republic Day. Mass cordon and search operations carried out at various areas.